Welcome to Georgia Southern University's Education Building. The Education Building was built in June 2000 at its current location. The three-story classroom building includes a 383-seat lecture hall with state-of-the-art technology capabilities, 38 classrooms including 2 science labs, the Instructional Resource Center with its 4 computer labs, and the Counselor Education Training Center, and a multi-purpose community room. Today, we are going to explore an exciting center within the Education Building, the Instructional Resource Center. The Instructional Resource Center is located on the second floor of the classroom building. Faculty and students of the education program are able to utilize all aspects of the center. Here, in the common area of the IRC, where you can utilize computers, check out books, request and reserve equipment in classrooms. Within the common area, you will find 9 state-of-the-art Apple desktop computers. The Apple iMac 27-inch is an excellent multimedia-oriented all-in-one desktop, particularly for the people who actually create media instead of just viewing it. The Intel Core i7 CPU gives the iMac the quad-core power that used to be impossible in the all-in-one desktop category. These iMacs are preloaded with the latest software needed for students and faculty. Students use these desktops for projects and research. Many students utilize the computers in between classes. The main classroom utilized within the IRC is the Micro-Comp Lab. As you can see, there is no food or drinks allowed within the lab. The Micro-Comp Lab is also known as the Smart Room. With its 26 desktops, smartboard, 9 tables and chairs, this room is usually occupied by an educational technology class or students working on their project. The Smart Room has its multiple tables and computers to have class. A projection screen can be replaced by a smartboard on wheels. With so many classes utilizing this wonderful lab, students' work is displayed all around the room. Many professors require students to work in groups. If professors using the classroom need to change their technology tool, the lab is equipped with user guides for the touch panel cart. Warning to all faculty and students about the computers within the lab. This single button will shut down all computers within the classroom. Our next stop on our IRC tour is the library. Undergraduate and graduate students are able to borrow and check out literature material if they have a GSU ID and have signed the Patron Information Form. In 2004, Ollie Jerrigan donated $60,000 to the IRC literature collection. There was a ceremony attended by students, staff, and faculty of the education program. The collection continues to grow with the donations of many. The library has 3 large rows of educational literature. There are many science resources also available within the library. Student activity books and teacher's editions are available for students within the teaching programs. Students are able to use the classic record player within the library as well. Students and faculty need to remember that any materials checked out through the IRC need to be returned by their due dates. Directly outside of the library continues the collection of the educational literature. The collection is found in the common area of the IRC. The IRC staff sets up displays of the new and popular fiction literature available for checking out. If students do not feel comfortable using the iMacs in the common area, other desktops are available for use. Connected to the library is the laptop study room. Students and faculties with laptops may use this lab for the outlets. Tables and chairs are available if students need to work collaboratively in groups. Educators may use the literacy lab that is located within the laptop study room. Textbooks used in public schools in Georgia are available to educators and students of the education programs. Need to staple papers, punch holes, or tape projects together? The IRC has office supplies readily available in the common area. Behind the circulation desk is the copy machine room. The 4-drawer copy machine and the paper shredder are available to the students and staff. Our last stop on our IRC tour is the Quiet Lab. Students use this lab when they need to concentrate on their work with little to no distractions. Students who need to work independently are likely to be found occupying this lab. The Quiet Lab offers 28 computers, tables, and even a comfy couch. This is a very quiet and calm lab within the busy IRC. A computer cart operates the technology tools within the Quiet Lab. A polyvision board is available for the use to the students and the staff. The Quiet Lab also offers an Ellison die cutter available for letters and shapes. This is a very helpful resource for the emerging teachers within the methods and the student teaching programs. If you need to cut poster or paper for your assignments, no worries, there is a paper cutter available for students in the Quiet Lab. This concludes our tour of the Instructional Resource Center, also known around campus as the IRC. Please visit the IRC and see what we can help you with.